distinguished colleagues, respected researchers, and honored guests. My name is Professor Lazar Stošić, Dean of the Faculty of Informatics and Computer Sciences from Belgrade, Serbia. It is a great privilege to speak today at this international conference on latest trends and innovations in AI and machine learning for pharmaceutical, biomedical, and life sciences, humanities, management, and technology that brings together experts from pharmaceutical sciences, biomedical research, life sciences, humanities, management, and advanced technologies. In recent years, artificial intelligence has evolved from a specialized area within computer science into a global scientific infrastructure that supports innovation across nearly all research domains. Today, AI is not only transforming technological systems but also reshaping the way knowledge is produced, analyzed, and applied in multiple disciplines. For this reason, contemporary discussions about AI increasingly focus not only on algorithms and computational power, but also on the integration of AI into complex knowledge ecosystems that connect science, medicine, society, and industry. In this plenary talk, I would like to highlight several key trends that currently define the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning across diverse scientific fields. Artificial intelligence as a catalyst for interdisciplinary research. One of the most significant transformations in modern science is the growing convergence of disciplines. Traditional boundaries between areas such as computer science, biomedical research, pharmaceutical sciences, social sciences, management studies, humanities are increasingly becoming more fluid. Artificial intelligence provides methodological tools that allow researchers to work across these boundaries through large-scale data analytics, machine learning models, predictive simulations, intelligent decision support systems. As a result, AI is enabling the emergence of interdisciplinary research environments in which complex phenomena can be studied from multiple perspectives simultaneously. This convergence is particularly important when addressing global challenges such as public health, sustainable development, digital transformation, and societal resilience. AI in pharmaceutical and biomedical sciences. One of the most impactful applications of AI can be observed in pharmaceutical and biomedical research. Machine learning and deep learning techniques are increasingly used in areas such as drug discovery and molecular modeling, genome and proteome analysis, predictive diagnostics, personalized medicine, medical image analysis. AI models are capable of analyzing massive molecular and biological datasets to identify patterns that support the development of new therapeutic compounds. In particular, AI-driven drug discovery platforms significantly reduce the time and cost required to identify potential pharmaceutical candidates. Furthermore, AI technologies support the development of precision medicine, where treatment strategies are tailored to the genetic and physiological characteristics of individual patients. These developments represent a major step toward more efficient and patient-centered healthcare systems. Artificial intelligence in humanities and social sciences. Although AI is often associated with technical and natural sciences, its influence on humanities and social sciences is rapidly expanding. Within the field known as digital humanities, AI technologies are increasingly used for large-scale textual analysis, natural language processing of historical archives, cultural data analysis, digital reconstruction of historical and cultural artifacts. Natural language processing models enable researchers to analyze millions of documents, literary works, or historical records, identifying patterns that would be impossible to detect through traditional research methods. In this sense, AI should not be viewed as a replacement for humanistic inquiry, but rather as a powerful analytical tool that extends the capabilities of scholars working in humanities and cultural studies. Generative AI and the transformation of scientific work. Another major development in recent years is the emergence of generative artificial intelligence. Large language models and multimodal AI systems are transforming how researchers interact with scientific knowledge. These systems are increasingly used for scientific literature analysis, research summarization, academic writing assistance, identification of emerging research trends. In academic environments, generative AI is gradually becoming a support tool for knowledge production, helping researchers navigate the rapidly expanding body of scientific literature. At the same time, this transformation raises important issues related to research transparency, academic integrity, authorship, and intellectual responsibility. Consequently, universities and research institutions must develop clear policies for the responsible use of AI tools in scientific work. Ethical and societal implications of AI as AI systems become more integrated into medicine, research, public policy, and economic systems. Ethical considerations become increasingly important. Key issues include algorithmic transparency, bias in training data, privacy protection, accountability for automated decisions, sustainability of large-scale AI infrastructures. International initiatives, including frameworks developed by organizations such as UNESCO and the European Union, emphasize the importance of ethical and trustworthy AI development. Within this context, the academic community has a crucial responsibility to ensure that AI technologies are designed and implemented in ways that support human well-being, fairness, and societal progress. At the end, artificial intelligence is no longer simply a technological innovation, it is becoming a foundational infrastructure for modern science and knowledge creation. Its greatest potential lies not only in computational power, but in its ability to connect diverse scientific disciplines, accelerate research and innovation, support evidence-based decision-making, contribute to solving complex global challenges. The future of AI will therefore depend on our capacity to build interdisciplinary collaboration between technology, medicine, social sciences, humanities, and management. Only through such collaboration can artificial intelligence evolve into a truly transformative force for science, society, and human development. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to the discussions and collaborations that will emerge from this conference. On behalf of our research community and the Crowry Center for Research in Artificial Intelligence and Emerging Technologies, I would also like to express our interest in strengthening international academic collaboration. We strongly believe that cooperation between institutions, research centers, and interdisciplinary teams is essential for advancing the responsible development and application of artificial intelligence. We warmly invite colleagues, researchers, and institutions interested in collaborative research, joint projects, academic exchange, and scientific dialogue to connect with our center and explore opportunities for cooperation. You are kindly invited to visit our website to learn more about our research initiatives, ongoing projects, www.kere.edu/rs. We look forward to future partnerships and meaningful cooperation with many of you. Thank you once again for your attention, and I wish you a successful and inspiring conference.